Good morning, students. Now, before doing question 5th of 13.2, we are going to revise again laws of exponents. Whenever bases are same, so and multiplication is there, so you will add the powers. When division is there, bases same, so subtract the powers. M raised to whole raised to power n, then we will multiply a raised to power mn as shown. 2 3 2 6. Now bases are different but powers are same, so we can find first product and then the same power. When bases are different, power is same in division, then you may first divide the base and then raise to power. Any integer raised to power 0 is equal to 1, and if negative sign has even power, then the answer will be positive, and if negative sign has odd power, then the answer will be negative. Now see, in this we have to simplify. First, this is composite number, we will change it into prime factor. We will do prime factorization. So this is 2 raised to power 5 2s are 10 into 7 is a prime number as it is. In place of 8, I may write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, means 2 raised to power cube. This is 8 and 8 raised to power 3. So this is 3. Now 7. Now again using laws of exponent, 2 raised to power 10 into 7 raised to power cube, 3 3s are 9 into 2 raised to power 9 into 7. So now this is division, bases are same, so powers will be subtracted. 7 raised to power 3 minus 1. When there is no power, it is 1. So you will write 2 into 7 square, and 2 7 7s are 49. So the answer is 98. Is it clear? Now in second part, 25 and 10 are again composite number. So we can write 25 को क्या लिख सकते हो, 5 square. This is 5 square. Then t raised to power 8. In place of 10, I may write 5 2s are 10. Okay, and 10 raised to power 3. So we will mark here raised to power 3 into t raised to power 4. Again, it is multiplication and bases are same, so powers will be added. 2 plus 2, 4 into t raised to power 8 minus 4, and here we may write 5 cube into 2 cube. Okay, now 5 raised to power 4, this is bases are same, so division is there, powers will be subtracted, into t raised to power 4 2 cube. 4 minus 3 1, 2 raised to power 3 into t 4. So your answer will be 5 by 2 cube t 4. This will be your answer. 2 cube you may write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this way you will do. First make the prime factors of 25 and 10, then using the laws of exponents you will do the sum. Now third part, here 10, 25 and 6, 3 are composite numbers, so we will do prime factorization. 10 means 2 5s are 10 and raised to power 5. In place of 25 you may write 5 square or 5 into 5. 5 square हो गया. 5 raised to power 7. 6 is a composite number, so 2 3s are 6 raised to power 5. Now write separately 2 raised to power 5, 5 raised to power 5, and this is 5 square. And downwards we have in denominator 5 raised to power 7, 2 raised to power 5, and 3 raised to power 5. We have separated all numerators and denominators, their powers. Now 2 raised to power 5 and 2 raised to power 5, these are in division, so powers will be subtracted. 5 minus 5. See the case of 3 raised to power 5 and 3 raised to power 5. So 3 raised to power 5 minus 5. And here 5 plus 2, 7, and this is also 7. So I may write here, you may add first, और डायरेक्टली आई एम राइटिंग 7 माइनस 7. पहले ये प्लस होंगी फिर इससे माइनस. सो यू गेट 1 ओनली. सो 2 raised to power 0 into 3 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 0. एंड एनी इंटीजर जिसकी भी पावर 0 होती है दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 into 1 into 1. So your answer is equal to 1. Is it clear? First, break the composite numbers, make prime factors, then separate them. You may here add them, and then division bases are same, so division is there, so you will subtract the powers. 5 minus 5, 3 raised to power 5 minus 5, 5 raised to power 7 minus 5, and each power is 0, so something raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So this was your last sum of this exercise. Complete question. That's all for today. Thank you.